Thought I'd share my technique for storing a freezing hamburger in a way that keeps it from getting freezer burnt for a long period of time. So what I do here is I start off with fresh hamburger, and in my case I make it into 5.3 ounce balls, which is roughly a third of a pound, so that my barbecue burgers are a third of a pound, and then seal them up, try to get them as airtight as possible um, for storage in the freezer. So what I do is I grab one of the meatballs. The plastic, of course, is very clingy, which is both a blessing and a curse. It's a curse to have to work with, but it's a blessing because it holds it together tight. So just put the corners together, and kind of squeeze it a little bit, try to burp the air out of it a bit, run it up toward where the corners came together to kind of get the air out, and then just twist it up. This is where the cling comes in handy because the cling helps the twist to hold. And there you have a fairly airtight packet of beef. So now when you get done, what I do is put them into a big gallon Ziploc bag, mark the date on it, and I stick it in the freezer. And I think you'll find, like me, that the meat stays nice and red and doesn't get freezer burnt for a long time. So that's basically it. Works for me. Thought I'd share it with you. Hit the button. Stop it.